everyone, I'm Cassandra and this is 30 Something Beauty, and today we are talking about a possible dupe for the Tropez Sunless Tanner Water Self Tanner Bronzing Water Mousse. So this came out last spring. Full disclosure, this is my mom's bottle that I've been borrowing, and she bought it right when it came out and she's raved and raved and raved. But this is pricey. I received this in the mail from Influencer. So if you don't know, Influencer is a site where you can go review items, and every now and then you will get sent something, and then you have to, they ask you to do something with it. So I did not have to make this video. That's not what this is about. They sent me this and I had to go write a review, my own honest review on L'Oreal's website. So I went and did that. I used this on its own first, hadn't tried this yet. And when I saw it, which I just realized I haven't told you what it is their Sublime Bronze Self-Tanning Water Mousse. I went, huh, is this a dupe for this? This costs $15. This, I believe, costs $30, $32, something like that. Now, this is 6.7 fluid ounces. This is 5 fluid ounces, but I think you use less of this. So I did take pictures and I was gonna show you, but like, it's, neither of these gets you super dark. So I will say that I do not think either holds a candle to a cream sunless tanner. But if you want just like a nice building up of a bit of a glow without having to wait for all that to dry, both of these work. Are they dupes? Yes, I think so. That's the bottom line. I think there are some pluses and minuses. I think this one's a little better in certain ways, but we'll talk about why I believe this is a dupe. So what I was trying to say, I took pictures like befores and was gonna do afters and was gonna show you, but I just think with the lighting and how it can wash things out, it won't translate. So just take my word that both make you tan. Neither is going to be as strong as a true self-tanner. This, if anyone has watched my tanning video, I normally hate L'Oreal self-tanners. L'Oreal self-tanners, that's really hard to say, tend to have glitter in them, and they tend to have a strong, horrible scent that will not go away. So for those two reasons, I normally hate this kind of stuff. So when I opened this, I was like both excited and annoyed. Like, man, of all the products I got sent, it's a L'Oreal self-tanner. I hate their self-tanners. But then I went, but it's a water mousse, and those have sounded interesting. And it says fresh coconut fragrance. The others don't smell like coconut. What is this? So, oh, my lighting just turned real weird. Sorry, it's that time of day. The light's coming through strange. I'll try to stay back here. So this does have a very, very nice scent. It smells like pina colada. It doesn't smell just like coconut. It's kind of coconut bordering on pina colada. Love it. This still has a bit of a self-tanner smell. This one comes out foam but turns watery immediately. So when you're putting it on you, it turns liquid, and you've really got to work it in. You are spending the time and working and working and working, okay? So I will say this one takes a little more work, because this one you spray and it's a mousse and you put it on and it turns slightly liquid, but like you can smooth it over your arm and you'll have a layer of foam over your arm. And so then you rub in and it's going to not wear in, but it's going to go into your skin and dissolve much, much faster. So this definitely worked better on that front. However, for the price difference, for the good smell, they do the same thing. So at the end of the day, this is definitely a dupe for this. I will finish this and I will repurchase this. I will go return this to my mom and tell her to buy this next time. That is it for today. It's a very quick video, but I wanted to get this out there to you. I've been sitting on this, waiting to get tan and everything, and finally just went, nope, I'm just telling you about them. Just take my word for it, it makes me look tanner. So that is it. Hope this helps you out when trying to look for a product This is a great drugstore find. First drugstore one I think that is duping the tanning waters. So I highly recommend you go out and get this, and I'll link it below in my description box. So let me know in the comments if you've tried either of these and what you have thought. And that is it for today. Right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!